All of us at ERA want to welcome you to our virtual open house today. Thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule. We're going to walk through the building, and I do want to let you know we are giving away 2 gift cards today, both from local merchants, Webb's, and Ace Hardware. So listen and you can win. Hi, I'm Susan Falconiel with ERA Integrity Real Estate, and we'd like to invite you to our virtual open house today. It's not exactly the open house we planned, but we're still excited that you could come. Come on inside. So we're in the main lobby of our office, and this shows off some of the remodeling we've done, but we've done a lot. We've taken out walls, we've added offices, we've changed flooring, painting, added some new artwork, and we're really, really excited to show it to you. Okay, I think we're ready to start our tour. Let's head this way to the conference room, or our new conference room. Before we go in, I want to make sure we remember Bob and Pat John. They were actually the founders of ERA, Bob John Realty, and we've had the privilege to know them and have them in our community, and we still always recognize them and remember them. But come on into our new conference room. This actually used to be an office space, but we've converted it because we have a lot of closings in the office, and we've been very fortunate to have some of our local artists display their pictures in here. These are all photographs taken by Kent Kimmerly, and he's talented, and we're lucky to have him in Henry County, and we're even luckier to be able to view his photographs in here.
Hi, welcome to ERA. Come on in and let us show you around.
I'm sure all of you have met Susan Swift. She's always the bright face that you see and the voice that you hear. But let's head back to the other part of our office.
Hello, this is Krista.
Hi everyone. This is where the magic happens. Hey everybody. Hey, where's my cookie? Oh, thank you.
Looks like someone left the cookies out, but that was featuring 2 office spaces that have been newly remodeled. This will lead into my office space that I share with Kristen and Becky, and we've painted new flooring in here. I think this is a good time to maybe have an opportunity to win a gift card to Webb's. The first person that can tell me their favorite thing about their current house wins a prize.
Hi everyone, and welcome to the big office. This is where approximately 8 of our agents have our offices set up here, and we are all working together for you.
Hi. Underneath this mask, we're all smiling.
The cafe area is one of my favorite parts about our remodel. It's open, it's airy, it's bright, and there's always a lot of action going on there with the agents. So as we head back to the front of the office, we've added additional offices here. This is one space that an agent can have. And we're continuing back through the front of the office, back in the main lobby. Kind of another shot coming in. Again, we've done new flooring, new paint colors, some new furnishings. Hi, Beth.
Thanks for visiting with us today.
Okay, let's proceed to our main conference area. This has been repainted, again, new flooring, and we have great wall space in here, so we try to feature a lot of our local artists again. This is a Memorial Park theme, so that's pretty exciting. We enjoy it. We're going to head back to...
Hi, thank you for coming today.
Here's Brady and Scott Lightfoot's office. Oh, there's Brady, hard at work as always, in his office space that again, paint, new flooring. Brady and Scott's office actually was a conference room before the remodel, so that's been a significant change. Let's head back to the back of the building, and this is where we'll see our break area.
Hey, these for everyone, right?
Looks like somebody's already taken a break and eaten the open house cookies. Hi, Ashley. Hi, Brian. This might be a good time for us to go ahead and do our second gift card giveaway to Ace Hardware. The first person to comment below that can guess the correct number of new office space we've added at ERA will win the Ace Hardware gift card. We actually have our new part of our office. There actually used to be a wall here, but we've taken that down. We've added office spaces, we've added a new conference room, and an additional bathroom. So it's lots of great space. So let's go take a look. This area too has been revised with opening it up. It's kind of a workspace around the copy machine. We lead into, this is kind of a multi-purpose room. We use it for training. We actually use it for a third conference room. We have an additional bathroom in it, new flooring, new paint. We're working on using that as needed. And we'll head down the hallway here, again to new office space. Let's say hello.
Welcome to our office.
And continue on to another office space that we use. I think we've got some agents here.
Hi.
Jody's in her office.
Hi, welcome to the far side. We love it over here in our newly remodeled building. So when we can be out and about again, stop in and see us.
Thanks, Jody. Let's head back down the hallway to yet one more new office that we've added. Well, I want to thank everyone for attending our virtual open house. Again, it's not exactly as we had planned, but I hope you get a feel for the remodeling and the expansion we've done here at the ERA office. We really look forward to the time that you can all come and visit us in person. And again, we thank you for attending. But wait, one more thing, it's kind of the biggest thing for me. I want to show you the new electronic sign out front. We really enjoy our State Road 3 location, so what better way to take advantage of it than electronic sign? We really enjoy posting messages and connecting with the thousands of people that drive by our office every day. From all of us at ERA Integrity, we say thank you for attending our open house today.